How to fix unknown error occurred in Line app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, you have to make sure the server of Line application is not down. So simply go to your browser and then search for Line app server status. If the server is down, you have no option but to wait. But if it is not, simply go to Play Store, search for Line app, see if there is an update. If there is any update, simply tap on the update button and get the latest version of Line application. Next step is go to settings, go to applications, find Line app, then go to its storage section and tap on clear cache, and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.